Hello everyone, my name is Alankrit and in today's video we will learn how to use HLOOKUP with match function in Excel. So before before doing that, let's know the whole story behind this particular data which I have listed over here. So the story is there was an intraday trader who was trading in these following companies A, B, C, D and E on a particular day which is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So he had made some profits or loss on a particular day and he has listed out in his Excel sheet which is with us right now. So on Monday he has made profit of rupees 2000 with company A. On Tuesday he has made rupees 500 profit for the company A again, and similarly it is applicable for rest of the companies as well. So now what he wants to do is he wants to analyze the profit made for a particular day for a particular company. So uh, how he can do that with the help of HLOOKUP. So now we will analyze the profit made for a particular day for a particular company with the help of HLOOKUP. But even before that, we we need to create a reference for the company as well as for the day. So how can we do that? We can do that with the help of data validation. So uh, suppose I want to create a drop down for the days. So how can I do that? I can just simply go in the data tab and click on data validation. So it is asking us what to allow or what not to allow. So we have a list of days. So we will tap on list. Now it is asking us source. What is the source? So we have source from D4 to H4. Now we will click OK, and we have a drop down for days. Similarly, for the companies, we will do the same action. Go to data validation tab, click on list, and select the source from company A to company E. Click OK. Now we have drop down for both days and companies. Now, after creating the drop down with the help of data validation, let's try to understand how HLOOKUP works. So we are going to analyze profit or loss made by the intraday trader on a particular day. So let's begin. Type equal to and HLOOKUP. Press tab, and now it is asking us what to look up. Means what is the lookup value. So our lookup value is Monday, and now it is asking what is the table array. So this is the table from which we will be analyzing our data. We should log this in order to avoid any confusion. Now it is asking us row index number. So we want to analyze the data for Monday for company A. So now we can type 2 as it is present in row number 2. The company A is present in row number 2. Again, comma. It is asking us whether you want a true match of a true approximate or an exact match. Obviously, we want an exact match. Hit tab and close the bracket. Hit enter. So on Monday, we have made the profit of rupees 2000 for the company A. Now, what what is happening is if we try to change the day, the profit or loss uh, will get reflected. However, if we will try to change the name of the company, the result will be same for every company. However, it is not true. As for company D on Monday, we have made a profit of rupees 500 only, but it is showing us rupees 2000. So, in order to avoid this error, what we can do is when we type the row index number, instead of typing the row index number, we can use match function. So let's use it, match. Now it is asking what to look up. Again, for the company, we have this particular cell. Now hit comma, and now it is asking what is the lookup array. So this is our lookup array. Again, log this particular selection. Now it is asking whether you want which type of match do you want. So obviously we will want an exact match. So we will hit 0, close the bracket and hit enter. Now, now we can see uh, for Monday for company D we have made the profit of rupees 500. Similarly on Monday for company C we have made the loss of rupees 2000, and if we want to change the day like for Friday we have made a profit of rupees 400, and we can verify it from here. On Friday we have made rupees 400 profit for company from company C. So in this way we can use HLOOKUP with match function. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.